Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate mousse without gelatin. We'll start by looking at the essential ingredients that provide structure and flavor without needing any added gelling agents. You'll discover how simple components like quality chocolate, fresh eggs, and rich cream come together to create a luxurious dessert. Let's dive into the foundational elements for a perfect, stable mousse. Next, we'll create the rich chocolate base. Gently melt your chosen chocolate, being careful not to overheat it. Then, slowly whisk warm chocolate into your egg yolks to temper them, preventing scrambling. This crucial step ensures a smooth, stable emulsion. Combine everything thoroughly until you have a glossy, uniform ganache, which forms the delicious heart of your mousse. Now, let's introduce the airiness that defines a great mousse. Whip cold, heavy cream until it forms soft, billowy peaks. This creates the light texture we're aiming for. Carefully fold about 1/3 of the whipped cream into your chocolate base to lighten it, then gently incorporate the remaining cream. Be gentle to preserve all that wonderful air. Finally, it's time for the mousse to set and develop its full flavor. Transfer your mousse into serving dishes or a large bowl and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. This allows it to firm up perfectly. When ready to serve, you can add elegant garnishes like chocolate shavings, fresh berries, or a dusting of cocoa powder for a beautiful finish. Enjoy your homemade, gelatin-free chocolate mousse.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.